Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your coin cell battery on the remote key of your Ford B-Max. You will only need, of course, a key, battery, but you will always get a tool for this, and this is a flat screwdriver, a small one, please. Then, of course, you unlock the key, and then you go in these areas with the little flat screwdriver, and so you can get this key, this remote key, you can get in two parts. Easy peasy. As you can see, here is a close view. You see there is an lock mechanism which you enter, penetrates into this area, and then you push it out of the system. Then we have get two pieces of this remote. Now we continue on the main body area, and there is another area we have to penetrate into, and we are then lift it with the flat screwdriver apart again. And now we have two another pieces of the remote key. And there is the coin cell. The coin cell we can remove, and after we removed it, we can replace it. Take a look, there is a positive and a negative pole of the key remote coin cell, and the coin cell itself, it is an CR coin cell which we have to enter into the system, a new one of course, and then we have done this replacement job. You can see the plus area is looking to us and the minus area is facing on the other side of the remote key. Now it's time to reassemble the parts. We get them into position and we push them together. Easy peasy, as you can see. So now let's go to the next, because the two parts are still there, and this we are getting into position again, and after this process is easy peasy, job's done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!